Hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. Our squishy love continues. Let's take a look and see how to make these best out of waste squishies. So you will need a chocolate wrapper. This is obviously still got the chocolate in it. Some tape, and then later we'll look at some stuffing. Now I'm going to open these really carefully and then obviously start the taping. But I'm also going to try and scan these wrappers in for you. And if it works, I'm going to put a link down below so you can create a printable based on a real chocolate bar wrapper. But let's just take a look and see how they're made using these. So as mentioned, you have to open them as carefully as possible. You don't really want them to rip, but you can of course tape it together again afterwards. So I'm just going to give it a little cut actually. I think I'm going to just cut. Let's see, that's the best way of doing this. I'm going to cut into this and then cut along this line here. Because the neater you cut it, the easier it will be to turn it into a squishy. So take my chocolate bars out. Of course you could then spend some time eating those. Yummy. And you have your basic wrapping finished. Okay, so I've already managed to rip mine a little bit. This is how fragile they are without tape, which is why you do need tape. Now I'm going to tape it up. Now you need to put tape all over because when you start squishing them, oh gosh, I'm making a mess now. When you start squishing them, they do wrinkle up and will get broken if you don't tape all over. So I'm gonna go about halfway. I've got some plastic underneath here just so that I don't tape it to my surface by accident. And try and get this as neat as possible. Got a little crink, but it's okay. You can see I'm going right over the edges. And you know, if it creases up a little bit, it's not so bad. Although having said that, I do need to cut this because that's where I'm going to put my stuffing in, and then this tape will be in the way. Looking good. Right, now to the stuffing. So I like to use an old pillow. Now, not everyone's got an old pillow, I do appreciate that. You can use toy stuffing, but also plastic bags work quite well. I'm just using this because I've actually got 3 old pillows that I'm using for crafts at the moment. I know that makes me very lucky. But if you don't have an old pillow, do use plastic bags. And then you know what, this is a really good recycle project. I mean, mine's recycled too actually, because I haven't paid for the plastic for this. I haven't paid for this. It's all leftovers. And it's really fun. This actually, whilst I'm stuffing this and having a chat to you, this would also make a really fun April Fool's joke, don't you think? Somebody would see this lying around going, I fancy a little bit of that Twix. And guess what? April Fool's, it's not a Twix. So now the trick with the squishies is not to fill them too much. I can never quite decide how much to put in. If it's got too much in it, it won't squish that well. So just, you know, as you make more of these, you'll kind of get the hang of it and figure out how much to add and how much not to add. But hopefully this is the right amount. Let's see, kind of imagine it squishing. So I think that's okay. Right, and then you just tape it shut. Make sure you do cover the whole of the top because I haven't put any tape on that yet. And then if I fold it, you can put this in. My kids are going to love these when they get home from school. They're going to be so excited. And there we go. Look at that. Let's see. Wow. Oh, now I haven't taped all of this down by the looks of it. Let me just tape that to keep it secure because I think otherwise it will rip. keep it because I can. There we go. I'm going to add an extra bit on the inside. I'm a bit nervous. I'm just going to put it on the outside. There we go. Do a little, fold it over. There we go, let's see. Brilliant. Now if you find yours isn't squishing, it might be that you haven't got any air holes in it. And all you do is you take a needle and you make some little holes. I can actually hear I've got a hole somewhere. That's good, because that means it can squish and unsquish. And now I'm going to repeat the same and do it with the Snickers. Do watch to the end of the video and you can see my Snickers, my Twix and my Mars bar and see how well they all squish. So we have our Snickers. We have our Twix. I love the Twix one best, I think. It's a really good size. And once that comes apart, we've also got a Mars bar one. So, there we go, aren't they cool? Now, if you like this video, as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, we'd like you to keep watching and of course keep making. And, you know, do tell your friends about them. So now if you like the squishies, let me know, I can make more. I think these were really fun and I think these make a really good April Fool's joke as well. Anyway, take care, bye.